Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix sound not coming out from the external speaker even after increasing volume in Windows PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me try to play one video. So let me click on display. So now you can see here the video is playing, but you are not able to hear the audio. So let me try to increase the volume also. So you can see here even it's in the 100%, and if I increase the sound volume of my computer also, still you can see here no sound is coming out, right? So in order to fix such issue, what you need to do is just right mouse click on this volume icon on your taskbar. Now you will see here sound settings, just click on it. Now just scroll down below and you will see here all sound devices, just click on it. Now here you will see all your output devices. So say if it's your respective speaker, then just click on the respective speaker, and now just click on this allow. Now you can minimize it and let us try to replay the video. So let me click on this play button, open any web browser, and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video, so you can hear the audio that is coming out from my external speaker, which was not playing a sound before. So I finally fixed the sound not coming out from my external speaker. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix sound not coming out from external speaker even after increasing volume in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.